So what do you think we should do today?
Subscribe to Strict Wheels.
What'd you say? Subscribe to what?
Strict Wheels.
Keep watching. There's my lineup of cars. Love it. What's your name?
Angela.
Angela, go ahead, man. Go step into the green car, man.
Now they're up there saying, wait.
Go ahead, buddy. You know how to open it with the handle? Push the handle. Beautiful. Look at that, man. You got the green glasses to match, man. Wow.
Angela, you like it?
Does anybody have the key for this? You like it? Cool inside, right? Go ahead. Pretty cool, right? John, you have the key, right? Or Sharon does?
I think you have it.
No, I have the key for the TRX.
Yeah. Of course he wants to sit in the green car.
Sharon might have the key.
Yeah, she has it.
What do you think, little guy? Give me a thumbs up. Hey, you like it?
You match nicely in there.
You match good in there, man. Sharon says you look cool.
Yeah, we want to get a purple one too. We gotta wait for one of our flip houses to sell. Hey, hold on, I'm coming. Come, I'll help you.
Yeah, the Technica's coming out.
Well, for him, I don't want to touch the bottom.
No, he's good. He's good.
Yeah,
you want to sit inside?
Uncle Billy, can I put down the window?
Yeah, go ahead.
Go, baby. 1, 2, 3, 10. You know how to do everything. Yeah, I'm gonna close the door and take a nice picture, okay?
Yeah, where is the keys for?
Look, she looks nice. Look at her.
Looks pretty. Put your hands on the steering wheel. Looks pretty cool.
You look close by?
Yeah, if you have to open it up next time, pull the string.
Ah, that's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, it's an STO. It's the highest volume one you can get.
Yeah. No, believe me, that day when I saw you over there.
Yeah.
When I saw you that day over there, I was like, oh, man, it's beautiful. This is my favorite.
What's your name?
Bobby, say your name.
What's your name? Where you at? In the TRX? Schwick wheels, man. Woo. Go ahead, buddy. Enjoy it.
That's crazy, huh, Bob? Let me get a picture.
So for the first award, Das Auto has chosen the Dodge Viper.
All right.
Dodge Viper, please come up. Orange Dodge Viper. Congratulations.
Guys, Jimmy.
Oh, no.
Here we go.
If I
Jimmy's birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Jimmy.
Happy birthday to you. Do it. Car show bonanza for your birthday.